What's happening, y'all? Josh, Drive the Coast. Beautiful day in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. We're doing a walk around video on this 1957 Chevrolet Belair Convertible. Absolutely gorgeous car. Running the original 283 motor. This one does have the dual carbs, wing air cleaner, and air conditioning. Coming down the side here, we got wide whites. These are going to be radials. These are not bias ply tires. You're going to get a lot better ride on them. Love that. You got beautiful red paint coming down the side. Trim is in excellent condition. Love the 57, love the fins on the back. Everything looking really nice and sharp, like you should. You got fender skirts on this one coming back here. You got a Continental kit for the spare tire. So you still got lots of room in the trunk there. Chrome on the back, absolutely gorgeous. Same with the gold lettering here on Chevrolet. Beautiful condition. Got the gas cap right here. Signature thing on the 57, very cool. Got dual exhaust coming out the back. Chrome stainless looks great on this one as well. You got dual antennas. Boot cover is in excellent shape. If you hop on our website, you can see the brand new soft top on here. It's a power top. Hit the button, goes up and down like it should. Beautiful condition. Inside, you got black carpet, looks brand new. Seats also look brand new. Got seat belts for 4. No cracks in the steering wheel anywhere. Just gorgeous condition. Gauges, beautiful as well. Stainless along the trim on the dash, absolutely gorgeous. You can see our air conditioning vents right here. This is a vintage air system, plumbed in to the old style vents. Really clean, really factory look, but you got that comfort of having air conditioning. Let's fire this motor up, hear how she sounds. We got 3 on the tree. Fires right up. Love the sound of that. This is a VC VIN code car, so you got V meaning V8, C meaning Belair. Love that. Pop the engine bay, take a look at the motor. Like I talked about previously, you got dual carburetors here. So you got more power, more fuel, better air to fuel ratios. This is what's called the wing air cleaner. You can see that there. I also have factory power steering. So you can see the design of that is attached to the generator in the back there where the power steering pump is. Here's your R134A compressor. So you got new style Freon, not the old R12. Got a brand new battery, original style radiator, in great shape, condenser up front, nice detailed out on the engine bay. Guys, I think it's time to go for a test drive. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're fixing to go on a test drive on a 1957 Belair. This is the one with the 283. And dual carbs on it, wing air cleaner. We have 2 of the exact same 57 right now, so I just want to clarify which one this is. Let's fire it up, head on down the road. So, just as a quick reminder, this 1957 Chevrolet Belair, this is a VC VIN code, so original Belair. An original V8 car. That's really important for value. As you're looking around, this is not a 210 that's been trimmed up or anything like that. Also has factory power steering, as you can see here. Just real easy to turn the wheel. Like that. Speedometer working like it should. Let's go. Nice exhaust note, great acceleration. You can definitely tell the difference between the 57 that has the dual carbs, way more power on it. Love that. Real stable on the road. Not hearing any shakes or rattles going on anywhere. Just real smooth. No play in the steering wheel. Got one hand on the wheel. just driving great like she should. We're running about 45 psi oil pressure right now. It's a windows down kind of day, man. 75 degrees, sun's out in Florida. I don't know where you're at, but you're always invited to come here. If you can't come here, that's one of the reasons why we do these videos, driving videos, so you can have confidence in what you're buying. We want to demonstrate the car drives well, performs well, it's safe to drive, it's reliable, so that when it hits your driveway, it's ready to rock and roll. You have confidence in it. Looks like this mirror, this thing needs to be tightened down, but that's the only thing that needs to be done. You're doing good. We're in third gear here. Nice RPMs at 40 miles an hour. Cruising on down the road to the beach. Head back to the shop. All right, y'all, let's hit the throttle a little bit and see how she does. There we go. Got great power in this. Great power in the Belair here. Guys, just so you know, we do have nationwide shipping. Well, I would obviously send this car enclosed, get it out to California for $1,500 bucks. You want to go to New York, that's $1,200 bucks. You want to go straight up to Illinois, that's about $1,000 bucks. You want to go down to Miami, about $600 bucks. Shipping's really reasonable, so don't let that hinder you from picking up a nice classic today. I also have financing, 10% down, you go out to 180 months. This car you can get for about $800 a month. These have also seen consistent price appreciation. I've been doing this for 15 years, thousands of cars sold. Definitely seen the prices of classic vehicles across the board go up. That's one of the reasons why the banks will finance them for 180 months, 15 years, because they've also seen that the values are real stable, continue to increase, not like your late model cars where the price is going down, much shorter loan terms. You're fighting against depreciation. And I'll tell you right there that they're great investments. The banks put their money behind them. All right, pulling on back to the shop. She got us home nice, safe and sound, so gonna go ahead and give it my seal of approval. Anyway, y'all, if this is a car you want to go for, put it in your garage, give me a call. We do have nationwide shipping as well as financing if you need it. We can handle anything for you. Thanks so much for watching.